Ladies and gentlemen, rev your engines and hold on tight. We're plunging into the shadowy, adrenaline-fueled saga of the 1967 Ford Mustang Eleanor, the untamed Shelby GT500 that roared onto the scene in Gone in 60 Seconds and hijacked our imaginations forever. This isn't just a car. It's a legendary beast born from Hollywood chaos, muscle car mayhem, and secrets that could blow the hood right off. Picture heart-stopping chases, cursed wrecks, and mind-bending myths. Get ready to gasp, laugh, and crave the wheel as we unleash 15 explosive, jaw-dropping facts that'll turbocharge your trivia game. Lights, camera, acceleration, let's burn rubber. 15 weird facts about the 1967 Ford Mustang Eleanor, Shelby GT500, movie magic mythbuster. Boom. The ultimate plot twist. Eleanor isn't a factory-forged Shelby GT500 icon. She's a custom-built rebel. A Frankenstein fusion of Mustang bones, Shelby flair, and nitrous-fueled fury. Crafted by design wizard Chip Foose for the 2000 remake, this silver screen siren sports fiberglass fangs and a roaring V8 heart. Ford never birthed her. It's pure Tinseltown sorcery, fooling fans into worshipping a myth. Dramatic, you bet. Eleanor's the queen of deception. Cursed car count, cue the horror music. 12 gleaming Eleanors were summoned for the film's stunt apocalypse, each a $250K masterpiece. But fate struck like lightning. Crashes, flips, and fiery demolitions claimed most in a wreckage rampage. Only a haunted handful survived, rarer than buried treasure. Echoing the 1974 original's 90-car carnage, it's as if Eleanor carries a voodoo curse, dooming her doubles to dramatic doom. Spine-chilling stuff for collectors. Name game oddity mystery alert. Eleanor, whispers of intrigue. From a thief's code in the gritty 74 flick to fan theories linking her to powerhouse Eleanor Roosevelt. But hold the drama. Director Dominic Sena spilled it's just a cool, enigmatic vibe. Yet, this catchy moniker sparked epic lawsuits. Widow Denise Halicki battled Ford over trademark theft, turning a name into courtroom thunder. Who knew a word could rev up such legal horsepower? Hidden horsepower hack, kapow, lurking on the shifter. The infamous Go Baby Go nitrous button. A secret weapon exploding 400 horses to 500 plus in a heartbeat. The movie's 351 Windsor V8 hides this ticking bomb. Push it wrong and boom, engine meltdown. It's underground racing's dark thrill. Dramatized for heist glory. Catchy caveat. Real drivers tempt fate, but Eleanor's hack is pure pulse racing peril. Celebrity clone craze, starstruck scandal. Nicolas Cage, Eleanor's on-screen outlaw, snagged a clone for his garage obsession. But enter the drama queen. Denise Halicki sued over replica rights, claiming Eleanor as her sacred legacy. Courts roared for years, even brushing the Supreme Court. This catchy clone war proves one car's fame can ignite a firestorm of passion, lawsuits, and celebrity cachet. Color conundrum. Shadowy showdown. Eleanor's pepper gray cloak with black striped scars. A custom DuPont dagger. Not Ford's factory palette of whites and golds. Chosen for stealthy menace, it birthed a trend. Fans cloning the look, confusing purists at shows. Dramatic flair. This hue turned a muscle car into a nocturnal predator, forever etching its catchy, sinister style in automotive lore. Soundtrack shenanigans. Roar of the beast. That earth-shaking growl? A sonic Frankenstein. GT500 rumbles mixed with Ferrari screams, Jaguar snarls, and a lion's primal fury. Engineers layered this auditory assault for maximum drama, tricking ears into believing Eleanor's alive. Catchy twist. Owners chase the myth with mods, but nothing matches Hollywood's heart-thumping hybrid thunder. Weighty weirdness, heavyweight horror. Stock GT500s danced at 3,300 pounds, but movie Eleanors bulked to 3,800 with cages and armor. Like hauling an elephant, this made film jumps defy gravity in dramatic CGI spectacles. Punchy payoff. Stunt drivers battled the lead sled, turning every turn into edge-of-your-seat excitement. Bootleg booty, underground uprising. Post-fame. Bootleg kits flooded garages complete with fake stolen VINs sparking cop confusion and impound dramas. One Texas tale. A clone seized as hot property. Hilarious heist irony. Catchy's the word. These imposters add outlaw allure, but beware the real-world wreck. Easter egg exhaust, sneaky surprise. Shotgun barrel tailpipes, a dramatic nod to Eleanor's bandit soul, not a performance ploy. Mechanic scratch heads, fans mod in homage. This hidden gem amps the cachet, turning exhaust into a catchy conversation killer. Auction absurdity, million-dollar madness. A surviving Eleanor hammered at $1 in 2013, snapped by a German tycoon who exiled her to a museum amid knight's armor. From chase chaos to medieval majesty. Talk about dramatic destiny. This sales catchy record fuels fake frenzies, thrilling treasure hunters worldwide. Fuel fiasco. Folklore, thirsty thriller. The 428 Cobra jet gulped 10 mpg like a desert demon, but stunt Eleanor sipped propane for safe explosions. Boom without the doom. Legends of mid-chase refuels add drama. It's Eleanor's catchy curse of power and peril. Phantom prototype, rebel revelation. Carroll Shelby blasted movie Eleanor as a bastardized fake. But a real 67 proto haunts history with pop-up lights and supercharger dreams, axed for cost. This ghostly twin's dramatic what-if outshines the star, a catchy reminder of roads not taken. Cultural cameo craziness, pop culture explosion. From GTA mods and Happy Meal minis to a zombie-slaying comic superhero, Eleanor's everywhere. Dramatic peak. As a transforming undead fighter, she's the ultimate catchy crossover, blending muscle with mayhem. Restoration riddle, puzzle of peril. True GT500 revivals hit 200K, but Eleanor's fakes, junkyard Frankensteins, fool judges at elite shows. Exposed by sleuths, these dramatic deceptions turn restoration into a high-stakes detective drama. Catchy chaos indeed. Outro script, whoa, what a turbo-twisted thrill ride. We've unmasked 15 explosive facts about the 1967 Ford Mustang Eleanor, the Shelby GT500 dripping with drama, danger, and undeniable cachet. From cursed clones to sonic sorcery, this icon saga proves legends are forged in fire and fantasy. Heart racing? Craving your own Eleanor epic? Share your wildest car tales below. Smash that like and subscribe for more pulse-pounding adventures. Remember, drive with drama but safely. Until next burnout, keep the legends alive.